In this video, I will show a solution for direct mail case from JMP and how we can find estimates when we have lagged data. This is a case of regression analysis. We do have the number of direct mail and sales to see if there is a relationship between the two using fit y by x, and then sales as the response, direct mail as a factor. We fit a line and we can see that R square is about 6%. P-value for coefficient of direct mail or the factor x is not showing significance, 0.298, and seems like there's no relationship between these two variables. Advertising in form of direct mail and sales. So we go back and lag the data. That means if the effect of direct mail is observed next week. For lagging the data, we need a new column. I call it lag 1. And then we get to the formulas. Right clicking on column header to formula. Group of row functions, lag is here. So lag, this box is waiting for a column. Direct mail, the default is for 1 period. We can change this number. For now, we'll lag for 1 period, 1 week. Apply and OK. Now we use lag 1 to lag the data. Numbers are pushed 1 row down. Each number of direct mail now is in the same row with the sales of next week. Repeat regression analysis. Predictor or factor is lag 1 and sales is the response. We'll fit the line. From the slope of the line, seems like there is a significant relationship. R square is about 42%. The p-value for prompter estimates shows that the relationship is significant both for slope of the line, coefficient of lag 1, and for the intercept. To find the estimate of sales based on a given number of direct mail, we go to this dropdown, linear fit dropdown. All operations related to linear regression are under this dropdown. We'll go down to save predicted. We can save the mean and individual confidence limit formula as well. I save both here. And we go back to our data table. Let's say you are sending out direct mail and the number of mail packages out are 400. What's your estimate for the sales? Please note that lag 1 is based on a formula, and that's the number that is used for estimating the predicted sales. See, the predicted sales is saved here. So for direct mail, if that's 400, in the first blank row we enter 400 for direct mail, and then based on that, all these columns are using formula, and that formula relies on direct mail. We do have 376, which is for the previous week. We have to feed one more line by entering any number so that we can see 400 as the estimator of sale. One row down, 400 is the predictor of the sale, and then sale, our estimate will be 43 grand. That's our estimate based on 400 mail packages out. Now the upper and lower mean confidence levels and individual. These numbers, pairs of numbers. Our estimate is 43, but then with 95% confidence, in a typical week sending out 400 mail packages, sale will be between 36 and 50. Individual Well, that's for a specific week. If you're going to estimate based on a specific week, your estimate is still 43, but then estimation has a wider range. With 95% confidence, that will be between 73 and 13. Now download this file, Direct Mail 3. That's a similar file, 100 rows of data. Direct mail and sales. We check the relationship of direct mail as estimator of sales, and fitting a line shows that there is no relationship. The model is not significant. R-square is very small, and the p-value for testing the slope under parameter estimates 0.44. No significant relationship. After checking the lags of 1 and 2 and 3, you will find that lag 3 is showing significance. That means the effect of advertising, sending out direct mail, will show 3 weeks later. So I will generate a column, call this lag 3, and use a formula for lagging the data. Direct mail in lag, and we need to change this number to 3 so that we push down the data 3 rows. And this is what happens. Now we will use lag 3 of the data as estimator of sales. In regression analysis, under fit y by x, lag 3 is a factor and sales response. Fit the line, and we get a significant model. P-value for testing the slope and intercept, these are both showing significance. R-square is close to 70%. From linear fit dropdown, we can save predicteds. To get the estimate, one more time here, check for the estimate of sales if you send out 400 mail packages. Please note that we don't enter a number for lag 3. This is a formula column for direct mail 400. Number under lag 3 and under predicted sales, these are both formulas referring to direct mail. But then under lag 3 we can see 199, and 199 was 3 rows before 400. So what we do here to get the real estimate, we need to feed 3 rows. We can enter any number, 3 rows under direct mail until we can see 400 under lag 3. And that's the number that is used for predicted sales. So your estimate will be 41.9, close to $42,000 of sales.